This is the Best Outlook Creativity Kit from Altenew. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. Focus on the best outlook of life and create beautiful handmade projects using the gorgeous products included in this amazing kit. The stamps, dies, stencils and washi tape all complement each other, so you can create a whole myriad of different designs, be that on cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. In the kit you will receive Rosy Outlook Stamp, Die and Mass Stencil Bundle, the Best Things Stamp Set, Bubble Wrap Stencil and Gradient Lines Washi Tape. An exclusive inspiration guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information and fresh inspiration using the Best Outlook Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.